Well, guys, the battle is on when it comes to these two Goliaths. Maybe it's a bad example what I just gave, but look at these beauties. Just off the rip right there, you guys are looking at it. Nice. I'm talking about hotness, but we gotta come to the conclusion of materials, details, which one's more eye-catching. Everything coming up next. What's going on, my YouTube fam? Hopefully you find yourself in health and in wealth and in prosperity and all good things. And remember, guys, stay away from the drama, because misery loves company. And like I was saying a little while ago, I have to bring the comparison to this because there is differences, guys. There is differences, and we're not even going to waste time on this. When it comes to the presentation, it's identically the same. Identically the same when it comes to the presentation, guys. So don't be expecting nothing crazy. Everything is identically the same. Besides, obviously, the shoelaces. And the shoelaces are pretty much the same, except for, wait. The Shy Pinks actually come with SB laces. Yes, guys, it comes with the SB laces. So that right there, to me personally, when it comes to the lacing, at least I give that one to the Shy Pinks, because this is very unique. This is very unique. I like that. And it's something that I've been doing for a long time, and everybody said that I was crazy for doing it. But now all of a sudden it's cool, because that's how life works. You know what I'm saying? Enough of that. Not gonna go into the rant, guys. Now, let's go toe-to-toe with these bad boys. Co-producer today is taking it easy. You know what I'm saying? He's on the WWE, on the 2K26, throwing it down. He's taking it easy today. Well, let's get into it immediately. Let's not waste time, guys. And let's start it off with, of course, what I like the most, and it's the materials. I wasn't gonna say it, guys, but I have to, because it's part of just, it's in my nature to do it. The materials and the toe box. And let's start off with the two toe box that I'm excited. I'm always excited for the toe box, guys. Check it out. When it comes to the actual material of the top of the toe box, they're identically the same. It's just obviously the color difference, but they're identically the same. The surrounding leather is identically the same as well. It has the tumbled leather, very good quality. Nothing when it comes to that changes. The tongue, identically the same. The only difference all the way in the top is obviously the colors of the Cactus Jack and the Nike tab in the top. You know, it's no big difference. No difference whatsoever. It's just colors, guys, when it comes to it. And the lining, that some people say if the lining is different, well, for those that don't have both pairs, that little lining all the way in the top right there, it's identically the same, guys. They're both mesh, no big deal. The inside, the sock liner, identically the same sock liner. The insoles, identically the same as well, just different colors. Now, when it comes to the side of the shoes, in the side of the shoes, if there is one thing that I could say that is guaranteed different, guys, and hold on to your booties on this one, it's just the colors. Yeah, again, guys, identically the same. The tumbled leather on the swoosh, nothing has changed. The panel behind the swoosh is the same exact buttery. It's I don't even know what kind of nubuck this is, because it's super soft, guys, but let's put it nubuck, you know. So identically the same. The stitching, identically the same. Everything, guys, is the same completely, guys. I'm not even gonna show you nothing crazy or oh my god, because there is just one main thing that these shoes do have different. The back panels, just to stick to the back panels, they're identically the same as well. Now, Where is the big difference when it comes to these? Boy, I'm all over the place with these shoes. Where does these two shoes have the biggest difference? Besides that one comes with the shoelace, the SB shoelaces, that let's be real, guys, that's not a giant difference. That's not a difference of materials on it. That's just lacing. Where is the big difference on these shoes? And besides the coloring, let's leave that. I'm just talking about detail-wise. And it's obviously the inside of the panel of the sneakers, the inside panel. So you guys could understand more. I just did a little tongue twister right there. And what it is that on the Shy Pinks, it is the cream get the money. It's cream get the money when it comes to the inside swoosh. Even the lettering in the back is red in that case. But notice on the Tropical Pinks, they're both the same color outside and inside. Now, this is something right here that I was thinking real good about. Just imagine that they would have taken out this shoe, right? Let me flip it. This, and instead of the pink on the sole, because both soles are the same too, why even show it to you guys? But instead of the pink on the sole and the pink on the swoosh, imagine everything would have been with the cream get the money, bro. Just imagine that. I'm telling you, this shoe would have been definitely when I have that price. Definitely when I have that price, you know what I'm saying? Even though I dig the pink. You guys know I love the pink. You know what I'm saying? But in this case, yes. I just imagined that, and I said, damn, boy, that would have been crazy. You know, that would have been super, super clean. Not saying that the shoe's not clean. This shoe is super clean, you know. But, man, that would have been something out of control. But now, obviously, a lot of people have asked me, what is the final assessment and which one do I prefer out of both? And to be honest with you guys, I like the detail on the Shy Pinks more. I like this, that is actually kind of unique, that it has the swoosh, you know, in pink on the outside and the cream get the money on the inside. I love that about the shoe. I think, to me personally as well, I think the Shy Pink is a cleaner shoe by a long shot. Much cleaner shoe. This is more low key. But I think I just let it out right there by saying that, because I'm not really big into the low key. Not saying I don't love them. I love the shoe, but that's not my thing. I like more shoes that are more flamboyant. Let's put that word into it. So my choice, if I had to buy only one of these shoes, I would go 100%. Like, I wouldn't even debate it. And it's the reason why I passed on these. I passed on these on the Sneakers app. I hit on these on the Sneakers app. But I passed on these, and I bought them before for the simple fact that I said, "Bo, this thing is going to sell out." Me thinking that, you know, I would have never had a chance. So, like, I hit on these. I said, damn, bro, I should have gone for them. But whatever, guys. I got these, I think, for... At that time, I know they've gone down. I got them for like $3.90 or something like that when they were at that price. And I doubled up on... I don't know what the hell that came from. I doubled up on these through StockX as well. And I got these when they were at $3.50, and now they're even lower. You know what I'm saying? Because I had to double up on these joints. You know what I'm saying? But it's not that it is what I'll probably double up on these too. You know what I'm saying? Now that I'm picking these to double up, I'll probably double up on these too. But yeah, this was a bigger hit. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, this was like 400 something in one shot. If they get maybe around the, I don't even know where they're at now. I'll put it right there just so you guys can see it. But, you know, I'll think about doubling up on these, or probably I will double up on these, but I have another shoe in mind that I would like to get. But yes, guys, my pick at the end is the Tropical Pinks. I love this shoe. I love this shoe, and me personally, right now as we speak, to me it's a top three colorway. And why is it a top three? Because I just like more the flamboyancy of it, you know what I'm saying? To me, number one is always going to be the dark mochas, and that's just me, guys, the dark mochas. But these are bad, boy. These are bad. These are some bad joints right here, you know what I'm saying? I like the brown ones too. Well, brown, I like these too. I like these a lot too. The brown ones, you know, hit it with the pink right there. I like these a lot too. But, and you know what's crazy? That, you know what, why am I even gonna keep going? I'm gonna do a top 5 of my favorites, and no, my dark mochas are not gonna be there because I already let that out. I'm gonna put more, not from the hype, the super hype colors. I'm gonna put out of the unsuper hype colors, which ones are my favorite, even though I'm missing one and I have to go for these. But that's pretty much it, guys. Yes, between these two beauties right there, boy, twist. Tropical pinks all day. Till next time, everybody, I love you all, and I'm always wishing you the best. Peace.